RabbitMQ is an open-source message broker software that provides a messaging system for applications to communicate with each other. Here's an overview of RabbitMQ. 1. Messaging system. RabbitMQ is designed to enable message-based communication between different software applications or components. It facilitates the exchange of data and information in a distributed system by acting as an intermediary or message broker between senders and receivers. 2. Message queuing. RabbitMQ implements the Advanced Message Queuing Protocol, AMQP, which is a standard messaging protocol. It allows applications to send messages to a message queue, where they are stored until they are consumed by the intended recipient. This decouples the sender and receiver, enabling asynchronous and reliable communication. 3. Publish-subscribe model. RabbitMQ supports the publish-subscribe messaging pattern. Publishers send messages to named exchanges, and subscribers can create bindings to these exchanges to receive the messages. This pattern enables broadcasting messages to multiple subscribers. 4. Message routing and filtering. RabbitMQ provides flexible message routing and filtering options. It supports different types of exchanges, such as direct, topic, headers, and fan-out exchanges, which determine how messages are routed to queues based on routing keys and message attributes. This allows for selective message delivery to specific queues or subscribers. 5. Message acknowledgement and persistence. RabbitMQ ensures message reliability through acknowledgement mechanisms. When a consumer receives and processes a message, it sends an acknowledgement back to RabbitMQ, indicating successful processing. If a consumer fails to acknowledge a message, RabbitMQ can requeue it for delivery to another consumer. Additionally, RabbitMQ can persist messages to disk to prevent data loss in case of failures. 6. Scalability and high availability. RabbitMQ can be deployed in a distributed and scalable manner to handle large message volumes. It supports clustering, where multiple RabbitMQ nodes can form a cluster and share message queues and exchanges. Clustering provides scalability, fault tolerance, and load balancing. In case of node failures, RabbitMQ ensures high availability by replicating queues and data across multiple nodes. 7. Language and protocol support. RabbitMQ is implemented in Erlang and supports various programming languages through client libraries, including Java, Python, .NET, Ruby, Node.js, and more. It also supports multiple protocols, such as AMQP, STOMP, and MQTT, allowing applications using different technologies to communicate seamlessly. 8. Extensibility and integration. RabbitMQ offers a plugin system that allows extending its functionality. It provides a wide range of plugins for features like message transformation, authentication, authorization, and integration with other systems, such as databases, logging frameworks, and monitoring tools. Certainly. Here are some additional details about RabbitMQ. 9. Queues and message durability. In RabbitMQ, messages are stored in queues until they are consumed by subscribers. Queues can be durable, which means they survive broker restarts and remain available even if RabbitMQ stops or restarts. This ensures that messages are not lost in case of failures. 10. Message priority. RabbitMQ supports message prioritization. Messages can be assigned different priorities, and the broker can be configured to deliver higher priority messages before lower priority ones. This is useful when certain messages need to be processed with higher urgency or importance. 11. Dead letter exchanges. RabbitMQ provides a feature called Dead Letter Exchanges, DLX, which allows messages that are not consumed or rejected to be redirected to a specific exchange, known as the dead letter exchange. This enables handling of undeliverable or unprocessable messages separately and taking appropriate actions. 12. Message time to live, TTL. RabbitMQ allows setting a time to live, TTL, for messages. It specifies how long a message can remain in a queue before it expires and is removed. This feature is useful when dealing with time-sensitive messages or controlling the lifespan of messages in the system. 13. Message routing with topics. RabbitMQ's topic exchange allows messages to be routed based on wildcard patterns in the routing key. Publishers can use routing keys with multiple levels of hierarchy, and subscribers can bind to the exchange using topic patterns. This flexible routing mechanism enables selective message delivery based on specific criteria. 14. Management and monitoring. RabbitMQ provides a web-based management interface called the RabbitMQ Management plugin. It allows administrators to monitor and manage RabbitMQ instances, including viewing queues, exchanges, connections, and message rates. It also provides features for controlling access permissions, setting up clustering, and configuring plugins. 15. Community and ecosystem. RabbitMQ has a vibrant community of users and contributors. The official RabbitMQ website provides comprehensive documentation, tutorials, and examples to help users get started and learn more about its features. Additionally, there are various community-driven resources, forums, and discussion groups where users can seek help, share experiences, and contribute to the development of RabbitMQ. 16. Commercial support. While RabbitMQ is an open-source project, commercial support and consulting services are available through companies such as VMware, which acquired RabbitMQ in 2010. These services offer additional assistance, expertise, and enterprise-level support for organizations using RabbitMQ in production environments. RabbitMQ's versatility, reliability, and extensive feature set have made it a popular choice for building scalable and decoupled messaging architectures. It finds applications in various domains, including enterprise systems, microservices, event-driven architectures, Internet of Things, IoT, and cloud-native applications. Its rich set of features and strong community support make it a powerful messaging solution for building distributed applications.